Welcome to You Discover Virtual School. In today's video, I'm going to show you how English classes are organized. Also, I'll show you some of the activities you can do using our platform. First of all, let's remember that our English classes are divided in topics. If you click in the first topic, you will find different activities that will help you explore the four abilities. It's important to mention that our lessons are divided in three main stages: the exploration stage, the application stage, and finally the production stage. In here, you will have different activities that will help you improve your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills. Let me show you some of the virtual learning objects that we have. In here, you can see that we have different types of elements. We have different tools that will help you review topics previously seen. Also, you will have access to different e-books. These e-books will allow you to practice and review grammar topics one more time. As you can see, you have a variety of options. You can practice, in this case, present simple, adverbs of frequency, and if you want, you can have a quiz to review the topics. In the same way, we can have access to video quizzes. Video quizzes show you short movie clips, and they will help you with your understanding and comprehension for listening activities. As you can see in here, you can practice listening, you can practice comprehension, and also you are going to improve your vocabulary.